Hello everyone. So this is your host Aman, and today we will learn about what a SIP is and what are the benefits of SIP. A SIP is systematic investment plan. A systematic investment plan is a investment plan where you can invest your wealth market market, but not directly in equity of a particular company. A SIP account consists of a group of companies shares where you can invest, and the value of the unit of that SIP account depends on the performance of all the companies combined. So it just average out the impact of the shares value increase or decrease of a particular company. So why SIP? You can start a SIP for a long-term wealth creation. You can set up some goals of your life, and you can start a SIP around that account. Right. For example, you can start a SIP around your kids' education, higher studies of your kids. Maybe you can set up a values like 40. You need 40 lakhs for the education of your kids. So you can actually divide your investments according to the final amount that would be required at the time, right? So you can aim to buy a home, to buy a car, and you can actually start your investment in a systematic investment plan depending on how costly home you want to buy and how costly car you want to buy. So most of the times SIPS accounts give better return than FDs, right? So you can expect better return on investment in at least than FDs in the long term, right? But I just want to have a disclaimer at this point as well that the in all the investments in the share markets are subject to market risk. So just invest carefully, right? Discipline of investing regularly. The another benefit of SIP is you can get into discipline of investing regularly. You actually have to invest a certain fixed amount of rupees in FD, right? In a SIP account. So right. So you have to invest in every month. So it gives you a discipline to invest. It's less risky because though it's actually market based, but it's less risky as compared to direct equity investments. Not much volatile like stock market. All right, and a person who has a limited knowledge of share trading, he should definitely go for a SIP because on day-to-day basis, it's very difficult to keep track of each and every company's shares that you are actually buying in the form of equity on most stocks in small quantities. So the other benefit is you keep on when you keep on investing in a SIP account for a long term, you get to your corpus will increase multiple times with every passing month, right? So maybe after a year or 2 or 3 years you will get a good amount of stock in your portfolio, right? And based on that number and the unit price of that SIP account, you will get to know the value of your corpus, right? So this is how you can actually multiply your wealth by investing in a SIP rather than investing in a traditional methods. And again, I just want to include disclaimer again that all the investments in share market are subject to market risk. So invest carefully and just take advice from your financial advisor before taking any step to buy anything in share market. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. I will